Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Mercury transit in Aquarius and Capricorn from 25th of January 2021 to 11th of March 2021. Mercury enter in Aquarius, Capricorn with retrograde motion. So today I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, Mercury enter in your 12th house from 25th of January 2021 to 4th of Feb 2021. Mercury transit in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your expenditures will be unbalancing during this period. You are not in a comfort zone. You may spend your money on your luxurious item. You may buy new vehicle. You may buy real estate. You may invest your money in real estate. You may buy some luxurious item for your house. From 25th of January 2021 to 30th January 2021, Mercury is direct in your 12th house. If you are willing to settle in foreign land or travel to foreign land, you will get visa, you will get work permit or PR if you are already apply for PR. 30th January 2021, Mercury is retrograde in your 12th house till 4th of February 2021. From 30th January 21 to 4th February 2021, Mercury is retrograde. Don't try to apply for PR. Don't try to apply for work permit. Don't spend your money without any reason. Try to save your money. Try to be a good talking terms with your elders at your home. Try to be a good talking terms with your business associates. If you are stockbroker, if you are any type of businessman, you may suffer from some losses. Mercury is retrograde in 12th house. Mercury is not comfortable there. Pisces, you need to perform your best and keep in patience. Be patient, be humble during this time. From 4th February 2021 to 21st of February 2021, Mercury enter in your 11th house with Jupiter, Saturn and Venus in retrograde motion. 11th house, Mercury is retrograde. You will blessed with a lot of source of earning. You will blessed with a multiple source of earning. 4th February 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021, you will be sky high and top. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, there is a strong chances for foreign activities will make you happy. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will blessed with a lot of success. Mercury retrograde in your 11th house. Your elder siblings will support you. You will get in touch with higher authority. Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus transit in your 11th house. Your source of earning will be, you will enjoy a lot of source of earning and you will get money from multiple source of earning. Your savings will rise. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will enjoy all around success. This time, from 4th Feb 2021 to 21st of February 2021, your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. Mercury always give benefit result in 11th house. Mercury is very comfortable. If you are businessman, if you are trader, if you are importer, exporter, you will blessed with a lot of profits. Some unexpected profit will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. You will feel mentally relaxed and comfortable because Mercury transit in your 11th house with Jupiter, Saturn. Mercury represent business trading. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market, you may invest. And from 21st of February 2021 to 11th of March 2021, Mercury will be direct in your 11th house. You will blessed with a lot of business opportunities. You may start some new business venture. If you are unemployed, you will definitely get any source of earning. You will definitely get any job if you're finding your job, or if you want to start anything new, then after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th March 2021 will be ultimate time for you. You will blessed with a lot of success. Higher authority will support you. If you are applying for the government loan, your loan will be clicked. Your loan will be approved. And you will feel much relaxed and comfort during this time. From 21st of February 2021 to 11th March 2021, these 20 days will be a biggest game changer time for you, Pisces. Try to put your 100% effort at your workplace. You will blessed with a lot of profit. You will blessed with a lot of gains through your friends, through your social circle. 11th house is a house of network. If you are in any type of networking business, you will blessed with a lot of profit. 11th house is a house of multiple gains. 11th house is a house of elder siblings. Your elder siblings give you a lot of blessings. They may support you in your business. Pisces, you need to perform your best. This is the ultimate time for you. You will get success. All around success is there. From 21st of Jan 2021 to 4th February 2021, you need to be careful and alert while spending your money. Otherwise, you will be top. After 4th February 2021 to 11th March 2021, Mercury retrograde and direct in 11th house will give you a lot of business opportunities, name, fame, prosperity, recognition. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Venus aspecting is on your 5th house. If you are teacher, if you are lecturer, if you are spiritual guru, you will blessed with a lot of success. People can knowing you. You will feel much relaxed and better during this period. From 4th February 2021 to 11th of March 2021, you will blessed with a lot of business opportunities. If you are spiritual guru, people can follow you. Your knowledge will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success. Unexpected money are there. Unexpected fame is there. 11th house is a house of all around success and gains in life. And Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury transit in 11th house will brings you lot of good fortune for you. You will shine like a sun during this period. You just want to perform your best. Try to put your 100% best at your workplace. You will definitely get fantastic results. Must show your respect and honor to your elder siblings and your father and grandfather. You will see a big positive change in your professional life. Blessings of elder brothers or your father or your grandfather will be a biggest game changer for you, Pisces. This whole year, if you show your respect and honor to your father and grandfather, you will blessed with a lot of unexpected money. 11th house is a house of all around success in your life. Your goals, your desires, your wishes. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, Mercury Mahadasha, you will blessed with a lot of success. Must analyze your horoscope from your nearest astrologer. He will let you know which Mahadasha is running in your birth chart and which type of dynamics in your birth chart when you was born. If you have a good connection with Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury in 11th house and your birth chart Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, you will be sky high and top. I'm looking forward to your great success. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.